Oh, hi. We are reporting here from CES 2019 from Pepcom Digital event, and we are here with Dr. Scholl's, a company that's actually owned by Bayer. And we are here with Ms. Lawson, who is a Director of IT Innovation, correct?
That's right.
For Dr. Scholl's.
For Bayer Consumer Health, I support Dr. Scholl's as one of our many brands we have.
So what's your latest offering from Dr. Scholl's?
So our latest offering is a Dr. Scholl's 3D printed inserts. It's a fully customizable insert that we have for consumers, kind of leveraging the trend for people to be more customized. It's also our next step up. If you're familiar with the Dr. Scholl's Custom Fit kiosk, which we launched about 15 years ago, it was the first idea of consumer-oriented customized insoles. This is the next step up in that process.
So, yeah, I saw a number of these kiosks at Walgreens and CVS's, and so now you're moving this into people's homes, basically.
Yeah, exactly. So the great thing about the kiosk is, of course, it's located in most Walmart stores, and as you said, CVS and Walgreens. But what we've discovered is for a lot of consumers, it's still not convenient enough. And so this is an opportunity for them to get a customized insole via their smartphone, and it's delivered directly to their home in about 10 to 7 days.
So what the process is? They need to download an app, or how does it work?
It's a very simple process. It's basically you download an app from either the iTunes Store or from the Google Play Store. And then you go through basically a 3-step process, which is you take some pictures of your foot. It's 4 pictures. Then you sit there and we actually map out a 3D model of your foot. You custom design the insole for yourself, and we ship it directly to your home.
And are there different types of inserts that you offer?
They come in 2 different sizes. There is a 3/4 length, which we recommend for people to put in a dress shoe that has a narrow toe. And then we have a full-length version that can be used in any of your more casual shoes, particularly like a running shoe or something like that. Okay? And I believe, if I remember correctly, we have 9 different top cloth designs, so you actually pick the way it looks in your insole.
What is Vive technology?
Vive technology is kind of like the Intel Inside in a computer chip. We partner with Vive Wearables, and they've actually come with us to showcase the computer imaging design that's used to actually customize the insole. So basically what it does is it looks at the camera in your smartphone, maps your foot at 400 points, and that's how we build out the 3D model of your foot.
What about, are there any plans to move this technology for people with diabetes, for example, like, I don't know, implement it for something else, to monitor or to design better customizable?
It's something we're considering doing, is actually taking this technology a step further. This is our launch, obviously, with it, so we're going to start with a very basic product, but we do have plans to scale this out into other areas and put it out there. What you're talking about would probably involve also using some sensors, and so we are looking at that as a potential opportunity as well.
And where are these inserts available, in the United States or worldwide?
They're available in all of North America. Right now, Bayer only owns the rights to sell Dr. Scholl's within North America. In Europe, it's actually owned by Reckitt.
By who?
By Reckitt Benckiser.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we only own the rights to it in the North America. We're actually in the Americas. We can sell them in Latin America as well.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.